from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view your Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. So just go to the top right and go to settings. Then go to connections. Oops. Now under connections, let's go to Wi-Fi. Then go to your Wi-Fi and go to settings. Now you can see your password right here. You can just go to the little eye, click this, unlock it with your password. And now you can see my Wi-Fi password for Tim's Wi-Fi, or just Tim Wi-Fi, is Timothy1. And then I can share my network down here, or I can use a QR code in which people can just scan and join my network. So this is a mobile hotspot. They can just join via that, and then we should be connected. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.